Hi everyone, welcome back to DevOps. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up GitHub Copilot with the Visual Studio. So let's start. So first we have to open Visual Studio and come to extensions. See here, we have to search with GitHub Copilot. So GitHub Copilot chart is there, right? So this is the latest one which we have to install. Previously it was GitHub Copilot. Now that plugin was deprecated. So that's why we are using in this one. Click on install. This is installed. Now let's go to chat. If you click on this one, it will open the chat. So now we have to log into GitHub Copilot. Otherwise, you will not be able to interact with the GitHub Copilot. Come to here or enter in a chat here. So continue with the GitHub. I have free version. It's not enterprise version. If you have enterprise version, then you can log in with enterprise version also. So it is asking permissions to connect with Visual Studio. Open. So now this is logged in. If you ask for simple code, then it will do this. Create hello world Java app. Now it is searching and it will give the code also. A small request, please subscribe to the channel if you like the content. It really encourages me to make more videos and courses like this. Now coming back to the video. Create workspace. I'm creating workspace also here. Downloads. Select. See guys, now it is created workspace also. If you want to do any modifications or you want to refactor the code, then all things will be possible with this Copilot. You will be able to see the accounts here which is logged in, or if you want to sign out, you can do that from here. That's it guys, thank you for watching. Please subscribe. In upcoming videos we will be discussing more about GitHub Copilot and its features. See you in the next video.